Developer Options is a hidden menu on Android devices that provides access to advanced settings designed primarily for developers. It includes features like USB debugging, animation controls, background process limits, and many other tools that aren't visible by default. If you need these settings, here's how to enable or disable developer options on your Android phone. Step 1. Enable developer options. Start by opening the Settings applications. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the Settings menu and tap About Phone. Depending on your device, you may need to select Software Information to continue. Inside the Software Information screen, locate Build Number. Tap the build number 7 times in quick succession. If your phone has a screen lock enabled, you'll be asked to enter your PIN, password, or unlock pattern to verify your identity. After successfully verifying, you'll see a message near the bottom of the screen that says Developer Mode has been enabled. This confirms that Developer Options is now active. Press the back button to return to the main settings menu. Scroll to the bottom and you'll now find Developer Options listed directly below, About Phone or Under System, depending on your Android version and device manufacturer. You can now access advanced tools such as USB debugging, wireless debugging, OEM unlocking on supported devices, animation speed controls, and other developer-focused settings. If you're unsure what a setting does, it's best to leave it unchanged to avoid unexpected behavior. Step 2. Disable developer options. If you no longer need these advanced settings, disabling developer options is quick and easy. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Developer Options. Tap to open it, then locate the main toggle switch at the top of the screen. Switch the toggle from on to off. This disables all developer options features and restores their settings to their default state. After turning it off, press the back button. On many Android devices, the developer options menu will immediately disappear from the main settings list, keeping your settings menu clean and organized. You are finished. Enjoy using your Android device with the settings you need.